Today we're diving deep into the Haylou Watch 4, a budget-friendly smartwatch that's been making waves in the affordable wearables market. I've been testing this watch for the past 2 weeks, putting it through its paces in daily use, workouts, and sleep tracking. So let's see if this sub-$50 smartwatch can actually deliver on its promises. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Right out of the box, you get the Haylou Watch 4, a magnetic charging cable, and a basic user manual. The packaging is clean and minimal, nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. First impressions? The watch feels surprisingly solid for the price point. The build quality doesn't scream cheap like some budget smartwatches I've tested. The 1.93-inch HD display is bright and colorful, and the silicone strap feels comfortable right away. Let's start with its design. The Haylou Watch 4 sports a classic rectangular design that's clearly inspired by the Apple Watch. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. The 44mm case is made of aluminum alloy, which keeps it lightweight at just 45 grams while still feeling durable. The silicone strap is comfortable for all-day wear and doesn't cause any irritation, even during workouts. It's easy to swap out if you want to customize the look. The crown on the side is functional and gives you that satisfying click when pressed. Water resistance is rated at IP68, which means it can handle splashes, rain, and even swimming, though I wouldn't recommend deep water activities. When it's come to display, it has 1.83-inch IPS display with 320 by 380 pixels. Resolution is genuinely impressive for this price range. Colors are vibrant, text is crisp, and outdoor visibility is surprisingly good, thanks to the 500 nits brightness. The touch response is smooth and accurate. No frustrating lag or missed taps that plague some budget smartwatches. The always-on display feature works well, though it does impact battery life as expected. Watch faces are plentiful, with over 100 plus options available through the companion app, ranging from digital to analog styles. You can even create custom watch faces using your own photos. This is where the Haylou Watch 4 really tries to punch above its weight class. You get 24/7 heart rate tracking that seems reasonably accurate when compared to my chest strap monitor. It's not medical grade precise, but it's good enough for general fitness tracking. With sleep tracking that tracks light sleep, deep sleep, and REM phases, the data aligns well with how I actually felt each morning, which is more than I can say for some expensive fitness trackers I've used. Also, blood oxygen monitoring works, though I take the readings with a grain of salt. It's more of a general wellness indicator than a medical tool. Moving on to its workout modes, over 120 plus sports modes, including running, cycling, swimming, yoga, and even more niche activities, and all your data can sync to Strava apps as well. The health features aren't going to replace a dedicated fitness tracker like a Garmin or Polar, but for casual fitness enthusiasts, they're more than adequate. Smart features are where budget watches often fall short, but the Haylou Watch 4 does surprisingly well. Calls, text, and app notifications come through reliably. You can read full messages and even send quick replies on some Android phones. Basic playback controls work well with most music apps. My favorite are the remote shutter. It can control your phone's camera, which I find great for group photos, and also the built-in games that you can play around, especially when you are bored. This is a great added features for a budget smartwatch. Battery life is solid. I'm getting about 5 to 7 days with moderate use, including sleep tracking, workout sessions, and regular notifications. Heavy users might see 3 to 4 days, while light users could push it to 15 days. The magnetic charging is fast, going from 0 to 100% in about 2 hours. The charger connects securely and hasn't had any issues with connectivity. The Haylou Fun app is functional but not exceptional. It syncs data reliably, lets you customize settings, and provides detailed health insights. The interface could be more polished, but it gets the job done. The app works on both iOS and Android, though some features work better on Android. Now here is final verdict. The Haylou Watch 4 delivers impressive value at its price point. While it won't replace premium smartwatches in terms of features or build quality, it offers 80% of the functionality at 20% of the price. For under $50, you're getting a capable smartwatch that handles the basics exceptionally well. The display quality, battery life, and health tracking features are genuinely impressive for this price range. I'm giving the Haylou Watch 4 a solid 4 out of 5 stars. It's not perfect, but it's exactly what a budget smartwatch should be: functional, reliable, and great value for money. If you're ready to grab the Haylou Watch 4 for yourself, I've got the best deals linked in the description below. That's it for today's review of the Haylou Watch 4. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!